Hi, ma'am! Ay, ang pretty mo naman. Ma'am, try mo to bago ito sa glass skin mo. Ay, suplada naman. Ma'am, meron tayong magagandang OOTD dun sa ladies section. Try mo dun. Sige. Thank you, Welcome po! Hi, ma'am! Ma'am, meron tayo pang oil control dito. Ma'am, pampaliit din po to ng pores. Ay, ma'am, effective din to sa acne. Tama na! Alam ko naman eh. Ano bang skincare yan? The Marine Pearl Trio. A hassle-free routine tailored for your unique skin type and needs. Achieve your healthiest skin in just 10 days. This set allows you to adjust the ratio of each product depending on your skin's needs. Because skincare should work for you, not against you. Ma'am, meron din tayong 10-day kit nito. If gusto mo pang i-try, smaller version lang to. Ma'am, naku, sinasabi ko sa'yo, kailangan mo to. Promise. Sige na nga. Paano kung hindi to mag-work? Naku, ma'am, may 10-day money-back guarantee pa yan. You can check their website. Report ko pa sa DTI, ma'am, kapag hindi yan nag-work. Trust me. Or baka libo na ng bagong mukha kapag di pa rin yan nag-work. Joke lang, ma'am. Sige na nga, bibiling ko na.